Stuck on preparing for installation Windows 10. My Windows 10 update is getting stuck for me today at this point. It's unclear if this is due to demand today, or thanks to other bugs. The list of problems related to Windows 10 getting stuck within tweets is never-ending, and more are arriving every couple of minutes. Is there a way to solve this problem?
At the first time when I tried to download Windows 10 through Windows Update, it looks for me like it's stuck at preparing for installation. So I stopped the process, restart my Windows 8.1 and re-download Windows 10. Same thing happened for the second time, but I have waited for about 30 minutes and I have noticed that the progress bar of preparing for installation continued to progress very slowly, and when it reached a specific point of the progress bar it suddenly finished the preparing for installation phase and jumped to the upgrade phase. I do not really know why it progresses very slowly, maybe a background task, but I found that the best solution is to wait for a big amount of time until everything is done.
I would suggest you use the Windows Media Creation tool instead. DD, Internet Site Deutsche. NS, English download page.
If you wanted to support the channel, please consider subscribing.